Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. I am barefaced Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. Today I'm going to be doing a BOXY try-on, a BOXY charm. I'm going to be doing a BOXY charm try on. So if you guys are interested in that, hopefully you already saw my unboxing of BOXY charm. If you didn't, I'll link it down below. And yeah, if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I do have more content coming up soon. I've been gone for a little while. I did get some new equipment, so hopefully I can bring you guys like better videos as I get better at this. Into the video. So here is my BOXY charm. Reusable straw, guys. This is where it's at. I've already unboxed it. I haven't really played with it besides swatching it and things like that yesterday, but I put everything back in the box just to keep it safe. So here is the card and then, you know, all of the products that are in here. So I really wanted to do a video where I try them on in case you don't want to watch a video of unboxing and then trying on. So, you know. So hopefully I can come up with at least 2 different looks, one on each eye with the palette that is in this box. And then I'll be using the brushes as well. And we'll use the Cover FX too. I'll mix that in probably with my makeup. So yeah, face. I just need to put on my foundation since there's no foundation in this box whatsoever. I'm going to put everything on like normal. And I was going to use these in my foundation, but I'm not. I'm going to use them with my primer instead just to give myself an all-over glow and see how that goes. So it says shake really well. Too Faced RX Hangover Primer in my hand. So I'm just going to put 2 little drops. There we go. That's what it looks like. And then I will swirl it around. This probably won't be too good for my wrinkles. Really probably bring them out. And that's just what we want, right, ladies? Bring out those wrinkles. So I was looking at myself in the mirror. Yeah, you can definitely see it. I have glitter all over. It's not even like a highlight. Like I thought it was going to be a very shimmery highlight. This is like freaking glitter on my face. So I'll put the rest of my makeup on and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so we're going to get into this Ace, I think it's Beauté palette, something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But it's a very beautiful palette. Like I said, I've already did the video where I unboxed it. I already put my eye primer on, my face makeup. And so here is what she looks like right over here. Very, very gorgeous. Like I said, I did swatch them in the video as well. I didn't put any cheek stuff on because I thought I can use one of these colors as my cheek and then one as a highlighter, which I think I can use this Jasmine one as my highlighter, but I don't think I can use any of these for my cheeks. So, and I'll do my highlighting with, let's see. It looks like a very pale silvery champagne color, but it looks pretty gold in the palette. Let me see. Yeah, I think that would probably be a little bit too ashy for me. Maybe if I mix this one, because that one's definitely bronzy. Let me see if I can mix them. No, I can't. I'll put a drop on the back of my hand. And then going with my beauty blender here. It's a little bit damp. dries really quickly, so you have to move very quickly with this. I think that's a little bit better. Okay. So I'm going to get my brushes here that it came with. These are Luxy brushes. I was telling my sister I'm not even going to bother with these, but she insisted that they were really good brushes and that I should totally use them. Very, very small, which I do enjoy that because my eyelid space is pretty small. Here we go, people! Hopefully I don't fuck it up. So first I'm going to take one of my larger brushes and do an all over color. And I'll probably just go in with patchouli. Whew, picked up a lot. And I'm just going to pat it all over my lid. All up and down. There we go. Sorry, it was my husband and he's out of town, so I must answer the phone. Okay. So again, I'm going in with patchouli. And I'm just stamping that all over my lid. There we go. Can't go wrong with that. So now I will take this brush, the blending dome-ish kind of brush. I'm going to go in with cinnamon on my crease. That's what I'm going to do. Go in with cinnamon. Wow, look at that. Holy crap. That picked up a lot. Holy moly. Okay, I'm scared now. I'm going to stamp it on just because, like I said, I already put my makeup on first. I'm just used to doing that. So I will stamp this on and then I will blend it out. There we go. That is blending out pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Do the lid. So that way the color I put over it, that I'm wanting to put over it, is just has that little hint of cinnamon below it. If that makes any sense to anybody. But with my glittery ass. With my fucking vampire Breaking Dawn looking ass. If it looks like a patch right here, it's because it looks like a patch right there. I just have, there's something with my skin in this exact spot, and you'll see it every single time I put on blush, just FYI. I mean, eyeshadow. And I don't know what it is. It's like a texture on my eyelid. So it's not patchy or anything like that. It's my skin. Just know. It's me. It's not that. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to be using my color switch for this. And then at the end, I can show you guys how well the brush cleaner, because we did get a brush cleaner in that, so how well the brush cleaner works. This little slanted brush right here. And I think I'm going to go in I'm just going to see how this looks. Screw it. I'm going to put this pink, this very like peachy, corally color. I'm going to put that right dab in the middle. Right here. And I'm going to tap it. Tap it, tap it. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to go, I'm just trying to use all of the brushes, so here we go. I'm going to go in with the little slanted, smaller brush. And I'm going to go in with the cinnamon color again, that brown color. And I'm going to try to just deepen it up right here. And again, stamping, stamping, stamping. Now I'm going to use this little domed brush, and I'm going to put jasmine in my inner corner right here. Ooh. She's bright. She's bright. She's a bright gal. Look at that. To the next eye. I guess with like a bronzy look. We'll check it out. We'll try it. We'll try it. We'll try it. And switch that color. This is kind of hard. I'm going to go in with Poppy, I guess. I'm going with Poppy as my transition. We'll see how that goes. Oh, goodness. I just don't want to use the same color over. So, you know what I mean? Whew. Hello. Hello, honey. Okay, I'm just going to keep that in my crease. Oh, my goodness gracious. Gosh, that just, they blend amazingly. I'm shocked. I don't know if it's the brush or what. But I think that these shadows just blend so amazingly. Good for them. Good for them. Rose. We'll see how that looks. I'm kind of scared, actually. I'm going in with the slanted brush, BTW. So, gosh, these colors is like, you barely tap into that freaking pan. Insta color. Okay, okay. We're tapping, we're tapping. We're tapping. I'm going to go back in with this brush to blend it more right here. Blend it more upwards. That looks better. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with jasmine again, because there's not really another color I can do in my inner corner that's going to be very brightening. When I put this on, so pretty. Is that what is that? Myrtle? Myrtle? Myrtle. Myrtle and Primrose. I want to take one of those. I'm going to take Myrtle. Myrtle. What did I say? Myrtle? 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 I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to put that right in here. Okay, smudge it in there a little bit. So, see, it's like a bronzy kind of color. Okay, I think I'm going to put on some, I'll be back. Okay guys, here is my look with the eyeshadows, of course, but without eyeliner. I wanted you guys to see the both, like what it looks like both ways. So here it is without eyeliner. Here is my look with the eyeliner on. Not perfect, but I wanted them to actually look different, the wings, but I mean, like, my eyeliner's not perfect, I know. But that's okay, I have two different eyes, so it's okay. Because guess what I'm going to do after this video? Well, I'm going to do one more video, and yes, I am going to film it like this, so. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm in a singing mood today. I hope you guys enjoyed my BOXY CHARM try-on. Like I said at the end, we are going to see how well the brush cleaner does work. So we'll jump into that. But don't forget, before I start that, don't forget to please subscribe if you do enjoy my content. I do have more things coming for you guys. So yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit a like if you did enjoy this look, or, you know, any aspect or part of this video. Please go ahead and hit a thumbs up. It really helps out my video. And comment down below, did you get your BOXY Lux? I'm already talking about next month's. Your BOXY CHARM, and what did you like from it? Did you like the palette that you got? Let me know. Let me know what you guys got, and if you are excited for this month's box. Thank you guys so much, and let's get started with the brush cleaner. And what I'm going to do is just clean it off on this towel right here, rub it off on this towel. It says to get a towel, like a paper towel, but I'm not going to get a paper towel. I'm just going to get a regular towel. So it says shake well, which I've done. I've been shaking it. And then just spray directly on the brush. There we go. I've saturated it pretty well. There we go. Now you can see a little bit better. I've saturated it. Now I'm going to take it on the towel and clean it off in circular motions both ways, and up and down. There we go. All clean. All clean, guys. That does work, if you guys were wondering. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and give me a chance. I would really, really appreciate that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Have a beautiful day. Stay beautiful inside and out.